Let's talk about how to join two panels for a shoulder seam in garter stitch. So we're trying to figure out how to do the invisible horizontal seam. My name is Rachel Alford from Cozy Nooks Designs, and I'm very excited to show this tutorial today. I used this for my recently released pattern, the oversized boxy vest for the shoulder seaming. You can get the free pattern on my blog here. It's also a kit with Lion Brand yarn, and you can get the free pattern as well as all of the yarn needed to create the pattern, and I will drop that link down in the description. First, we need to join my contrasting color in the corner of my top panel here. So I'm going to go into the corner stitch right here, from back to front, and join, and then joining into the bottom panel in the corner stitch right here, like that, going from back to front as well. Now if you look next to this corner stitch that we have, you can see we have a V right here. And we're going to be working under that V to mirror what the stitches look like. So going into that strand where this contrasting color is, going under from left to right under that V, pulling through, and then similarly on this bottom panel, you can see that we have these two loops right here as well. And you can see I've gone in through where my contrasting color was originally and then under those loops. Going back up to the top now, sometimes it helps to kind of pull the garter stitch apart so you can see better. So I know that my next stitch is going to be right here because this is where the blue comes out. So that is where I'm going to go under. And then I know that I'm going to go in this stitch right here because that's where the blue is coming out. So the stitch is hiding right now, but if I pull the garter stitch apart, I can see the stitch right there. So going under that, you can see what it's looking like, and if you really want that satisfaction, you can pull it and see how it really does hide it very nicely. So very invisible seam there. So now we need to go back up to the top panel. This is where I'm going to go under, pull through, and back down to the bottom panel. This is where I'm going to go under. Once you get the hang of it, you can start doing this a lot faster and seam the shoulders a lot easier. So that is how you do the invisible seam in garter stitch. Of course, make sure that when you do it in a non-contrasting color. So thanks for joining me today. Hey guys, thanks for tuning in today. I hope you liked it. I am Rachel from Cozy Nooks Designs, and make sure that you give it a thumbs up, comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to my channel for future free patterns and tips.